man. The boys got that shit, man. We got the booth lit here, man. We bring the party, man. Top dollar.
We got some chairs, man.
Yeah. Oh, the shrink, bro. Oh. This hard shit now.
Get back on that table shit again. Hey, hit that punching knife.
You see it, Mr. Shrink in the building, busting ass. You know what today is? Bust ass Saturday. I ain't working. I'm out here. Mr. Shrink. Enzo Play. Matt Raw. Hit us the fuck up.
Just that through the doors, man. Good energy in here. Ready to get live. Got some big baby, man. One-on-one. Y'all from my side. We got some chairs, man. Come lock in. Here, come look at me. We got a black and tan Merle. How old is she? 4 months. 6 months. And like small as you can see.
That's that.
Pretty dog. Looking like it's not gonna get more than 25 pounds. That's what you want, man.
This is the most. That's the
I gave him a sticker.
Keep her.
Yeah, we're thinking, man, we were thinking about keeping her, but I mean, if somebody want to walk up 10 bands, we fucking take the bitch, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all heard the man.
Facts.
Y'all heard the man. 10 bands, negotiable. We got
3 right here. This one going for 3 bands.
What's
I'm not sure.
possibly it depends.
Instagram and TikTok.
Everybody go ahead and get up in this action, see what we got popping. See what we can tap in with. I'm looking for 30 Rich. Man, he said he was pulling up. Where you at? I'm trying to lock in with you, man. I'm trying to lock in.
Goddamn shit.
Yo.
We gotta see the A, B, and the Z. We gotta see all of it, man. We wanna know what the mama. Hey, shut up. You ain't even want to tell us what your dog was out for, man. Goddamn. Come on, nigga. Yeah, he's to the west. Niggas going hard here. Hey, my boy say he's sticking to the exotics, huh? Yeah, he's to the west, man. Hey, what's your dog out for?
You're the daughter of Pippin Ain't Easy granddaughter. The band, I can show you my bitch.
Oh, I see why he hiding the pad. He got that shit in that dog. He got that shit in that dog. Oh, he got that beef up in there too, huh?
I'm saying.
Yeah, the whole thing, man. The boys got that shit, man. Direct hit up at the Pippin Ain't Easy at my boy count, man. What's your count?
K out of South. KAOTIC. Greenville, South Carolina. All day.
All day, South Carolina.
Hey, man, 30 Rich in here, man. Them franchise members in here, man. The east to the west. We in Carolina. We got some boys from Philly up here, man.
You already know who it is.
To the west, man. Make sure y'all hear the next year dog trappers. We got the real dog trappers in the building, man. In here, in the mix with Lil Chris, man. Topdollarkennels, Lil Chris. Make sure y'all follow. East to the west. 30 Rich again, man. The booth lit. We got the booth lit in here, man. We bring the party, man. Top dollar.
We got Sunny D right here. We're trying to get the trophy for best puppy right now. You know what I'm saying? This my first show. Y'all bear with me. We're gonna see how I do. We're gonna roll. Y'all see we got 30 Rich supporting the movement. We got everybody around here supporting the movement. Y'all tap in, man. We're going crazy. See the vibes, man.
Puppies, get ready, male puppies, get ready, get ready, get ready. You're gonna be after the female puppy class. Yeah, males, y'all can
pick the top 5, alright? I'm gonna pick top 5, and then we'll go from there, alright? There we go.
Bullies out here, man. A lot of nice pups. We don't go bring it home though from gentlemen, man. Now the folks can give it up.
Come on now, what you doing, my God? We got 30 rich in the building. We got one spot open, so make sure y'all get with them. That's Topdollarkennels. From the east to the west, the best of the best. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all pay attention, man. I take notes. Topdollarkennels, man. Y'all know what it is. East to the west, best of the best,
Face it
man.
back forward. Face it back forward.
One time. You ready for this? All right, tell people who you are, what you got going on, man. Talk about that Topdollarkennels talk.
10 years old, youngest dog breeder, east to the west, best to the best. You got everything you want.
Boy, sound like an MC to me. I bet book them. Sound like an MC to me. Sound like if y'all got a kids fun show going on, hey, can they book you? Who they got to contact to book you for the show? Or they won't book you for the show. They said just tap in with you. Tap in with them, man. Topdollarkennels, little Chris. Man, talk to him, man. Hey, you got tracks on your nigga. Come on, man. Come on, man. Talk to him.
From Fort Worth, Texas. Lil' Chris, 10 years old. The youngest dog breeder in the building. East to the west. Best of the best.
It's the motherfucking best.
Topdollarkennels _Lil' Chris. No play.
Okay,
You got everything you want.
Hey man, Police Spin Podcast, man, we gonna need him to go viral, man. We talking about we got the youngest breeder out right now, you know what I'm saying, in the building, man. Make sure we get him on there, that Police Spin Podcast, man, and have you tap in.
Sunny for my boy. You know, like I said, it was my first show, so it could have took a little role at high place, but I came out here and had fun, you know what I'm saying? Can't really complain about that. Met up with a whole bunch of people locked in, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, shit, I had a good time. I hope y'all like this video. I gotta go close right here.
Testable paint and testable fluffy carrier. The only one in the world.
Yeah, the testable pink and fluffy, right here. You know what I'm saying? If you know about that pink, man, that's the new thing, man. That's the new thing. You ain't coming about 20, 30 and up. All you know is the song, man.
The one at home, made out of 60,000.
Shit. I was off by 35.
Yeah.
Come lock in, testable pink,
Testable fluffy. Awesome world. Ain't no other dog here like this.
Talk to him real quick.
I ain't gotta talk to them. They know what it is. New City Bullies in the building. Mr. Shrink.
Yeah. Water bottle. You see?
Nano.
That's that tank tea.
Nano.
Yeah.
You wanna talk crazy? Now you wanna get crazy? Can you do this with your dog? Do this with your dog.
Let me see you stack him like
Do
that.
this with your dog.
Yeah, show that whole angle, man.
Look. Can you do that with your dog?
Yeah.
Come here, Mac. Let's go, Mac. Come here, E. Let's talk this shit, nigga. Over that nigga. Over that nigga. You know what it is. New City Bullies. Billy, you already know. My two brothers produced this shit. This ain't no bought shit. In building. Yeah. Oh.
The strength, bro.
Oh. Nah, this is our shit now.
Get back on that table shit again. Hey, hit that fucking name. Yeah.
You take that shit off. New City Bullies. You see it. Mr. Shrink in the building, busting ass. You know what today is? Bust ass Saturday. I ain't working. I'm out here. Enzo play. Matt Raw, hit us the fuck up. Mr. Shrink opens the stud.
No play. Going viral. Y'all see the vibes.
You want some?
One big ass dog show. I'm with you. I'm with the guys, man. Tell me about the
first dog show. We come to pop our shit. We're gonna leave our shit. We're gonna leave it here all on the table right here.
Yeah, you got you a piece right there. Yes, sir. What? You gonna pop more?
1 year old, man. One. Producer like that.
My boy, All Star Customs in Ocala. Down my way. We going to all the shows.